air pressure? 40?
No. Hell no.
Oh, it's not.
See, it's not that hard, really. Considering I'm on a skid tire.
Yeah. Not really.
Yeah, this isn't the way I think we came down the race. It was a right turn back here, I guess.
We missed a right turn.
Where we were stopped, you can go back up there and turn right. You blew your front car.
Seems like it.
Are those just created by people breaking motorcycles? And I was telling we should have taken a right turn.
Nobody has a pump. Do you have a pump, Carl?
Oh, yeah, I have a pump.
Give me it.
Should we go in the shade?